I'm gonna have to go ahead and record now because it's raining out here. I don't know if you see my shirt, it's got some specks on them, but it is raining out here. It's a little cold, so I got something wrapping my throat up. But 1 mile a day is a challenge. This is Coach T. Why Wait to Be Great, Facebook community, goal overachievers. Hey, look here. I'll take a picture of yourself, no excuses. We're gonna get this 1 mile in minimal, no matter what. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go on this winning Wednesday.